Hello everyone. Thank you for joining. In the start only I'm saying because Diwali is around corner and still you're attending the webinar. It means that you guys are very interested and excited to upskill. So let's give a reaction for upcoming Diwali vibes. How much are you excited about the webinar and the Diwali? Show me your reactions. Okay. Okay. So everyone is excited about Diwali as well as learning. So let's start. Firstly, welcome to today's webinar, How CompTIA Recommends Preparing for AI Roles in 2025. I'm Shraddha, your host for this session, and I'm so glad to have you all with us today. So coming to AI is not something that's gonna come in future now. It's already shaping how the IT professionals work, learn, and even grow. So from cybersecurity to cloud to analytics, AI is changing job descriptions faster than ever. You might have experienced it by now. So the real question is not will AI replace IT jobs? It's more about which AI skills should I build to stay relevant and grow my career in coming 2026. So that's exactly what this session is gonna be about, straight from CompTIA's perspective, one of the most trusted names in the IT certification. So before we dive in, let's make a session little interactive. So in one word, can you tell me what comes to your mind when you think of AI skills? Is it about automation, data, coding, security, or anything else? You can put your answers in the Q&A box. I'll be going through it. Let's share what you think. Let's have a bit of a discussion. I'll be giving you a minute to put your answers. Anyone? Okay, we can move ahead. So, by the end of this webinar, let me give you a basic agenda that what you will walk away with. You will get a better understanding of how AI is changing IT roles, what skills and certifications CompTIA recommends, then how you can plan your pathway to AI-driven careers in 2026. Okay, we got answer to the previous question that AI is automation, auto causing, and many more. Okay, so that's what you think. Let's discuss it more. Maybe Kuldeep sir will talk about it and in later on. So now who are new to us, new to Knowlathon, let me introduce to us. So Knowlathon is a global training provider helping professionals and enterprises upskill with internationally recognized certifications that make a real career impact. So we have trained and guided thousands of learners across 30 plus countries in areas like ITL, PMP, cloud, cybersecurity, ISO, and many more. So, our goal is simple to help professionals like you stay career ready in a world where skills change faster than ever. So, with this, I also want to make an announcement that we have recently become accredited delivery partner for CompTIA. So, if you're interested or if you want to take up any certifications from CompTIA, we are your trusted partner. So, with this bit of a promotion, let me move ahead to our speaker. It's my pleasure to introduce our speaker for today, Mr. Kuldeep Sonar. He has over 15 years of experience in IT infrastructure and cybersecurity training. He is a CompTIA certified trainer and a principal corporate technical trainer who has delivered programs across top global organizations. His expertise spans AI security, cybersecurity, cloud security, governance, and ethical hacking, and he holds multiple industry recognized certifications too. So, today he'll be sharing practical insights from CompTIA's latest perspective on how IT professionals can prepare for AI roles in upcoming years. Then what to learn, what to avoid, and how to stay ahead. Mm, Hello, am I audible?
Yes, you're audible.
Yeah. So, because AI is vast, so you need to learn what to learn and what to avoid on priority. So, without further delay, Kuldeep sir, over to you.
Okay, yes, thank you, Shraddha. Yeah, hello everyone. Hopefully my voice is clear for everyone. My video is clear and screen is visible. Okay. So yes, my introduction is already done. I will not spend time on it. Uh, Welcome to this webinar. We'll see regarding the how the AI changing the things everywhere, and a CompTIA like OEMs are providing integrations of AI in their different various certifications, as well as launching the individual certifications which focusing on AI. AI is good or bad. That's a part of debate. That's a part of discussions. Individuals having their own opinions on it based on their experiences. But it is a true thing that we cannot avoid it. Even we like it or don't like it not matters. We have to live with it. It's directly or indirectly. Even nowadays also, when we are using any IT services, IT enabled services, in that AI is automatically used. Example, Ola, Uber, okay, Swiggy, Zomato, Zepto, Blinkit, Big, I think BB Now, whatever is the platforms are there. These platforms are rigorously using AI and email technologies are behind. They knew that more than you, what you like, what you require at which time. That's how you able to see a different type of advertisements, pop-ups at the time of you feel craving. You're talking with your friend and say that I'm feeling craving. I want to have something right now and suddenly get send one notification on your mobile. Yes, through the Zomato or Swiggy. You might be looking for someone somewhere to go. You are talking with your friend. Maybe I want to go outside for some plan, some vacation, and suddenly you are getting the pop-ups from the Ola and and the Uber. Okay, notifications are started to come. You are getting the emails or SMSs from them regarding the offers. Okay, so how these things are happening? Because somewhere which we are interested, okay, our interest is getting captured and then the things is there. So directly indirectly we are associated with the AI. Even we know it, we don't know it, we like it or not like it doesn't matter. And yes, in future definitely we will see the lot of things changes in the AI. Every technology having its pros and cons. So every technology, so AI is also like that. And initially every technology is not into the very mature state. It will take some time. So yes, AI is into the learning state right now. So we can say it is into the state of the development, and soon we will see its matured versions in upcoming years. So this is about the knowledge. Huh? Yeah. So basically, the ma'am given the introduction on it already. So I'll just have this slide to view. Uh, these are the partnerships which Northern have with the different organizations like an People Search or Open Group and so on. It's also right now becoming the CompTIA partner, which is already informed by the or mentioned by the Siddha. This is about me. It is again, I will skip it because it's not required. It's just an already introduction is done. So we'll see the today's agenda. Okay, so basically in today's agenda, we'll see why this matters now. Okay, so AI is from long time actually. It's not a very new for us. It is we are talking about it almost from last 7 8 years. Earlier, no one focused on it. Earlier, people ignored it. Even organizations are ignored it. Right now, they are rigorously focusing on it. That we want AI. Even organizations are looking for it. Something we have seen digital transformation, which is transforming the businesses from traditional way to the digitalization. And right now we are seeing the AI transformation where the organizations are actually transforming from the digital transformation to the AI based digital transformation. So it is, we can say, the advanced level. This is how the growth is happening. So we'll see these things. Then AI revolutions are there. Emerging AI career opportunities that we'll discuss. How we will see also how AI is reshaping the career path. how CompTIA is actually evolving into the AI's journey uh, through their certifications and platforms. AI enablement within the current IT certifications in CompTIA or security certifications, essential skill frameworks, practical pathway to see it, then critical skills beyond the technical knowledge which we require. Technical knowledge is important, but we also require a lot of things beyond that. That's we will discuss. Then how CompTIA helping us for the AI foundations to build it up. How we can move from the support engineers to the AI engineers. So one case study is added, one case scenario is added basically. Then your questions, some common questions, FAQs, frequently asked questions. I already added it. Apart from any other questions, if you have, just let me know. And then your journey starts today for these things and question and answer. So this is today's agenda. A little bit big agenda, but it's not very lengthy here actually. We'll just have the slides displaying and I'll explain you in the lucid way. So why this basically right now matters now? Uh, Almost every different organization in the world, they are talking about the AI. They are want to adopt the AI. They are already in the phase of adopting the AI, and somewhere they are already adopted it, and they are providing these services to their clients, partners, and stakeholders. So this is the demand where before some time Shraddha mentioned that is it AI that taking the jobs. So actually when the IT also started, it is mentioned that it is considered there. Even in US also, even in India also, same thing has happened. We have seen there's a protest in the parliament regarding the when the IT started. It is a history actually in India. So basically people oppose initially. They thought that might be the it will take, but we are forgetting that every technology requires a people to maintain it. People creates a technology not creating a people. So the people who are adopting the technologies as per the requirements, as per the changes, the things is not problematic for them. Problem is happens where the we are not adopting it on time or we are ignoring it, we are delaying it. So that will create a challenge. Initially, right now also, we are not seeing a lot of huge impacts of the AI adaptations, even if I am not doing or someone not doing it. But definitely, in a couple of months of time, we will see the changes. Even we are right now seeing basically the layoffs are happening because of the AI. Why it is there? But if you see the why these things are happening, because enablement of the AI to the employees is not happening on that way, and definitely because of the lack of skills, lack of the required basically the technical things in the AI. So people losing, unfortunately, losing the jobs. It's not a good event. Definitely, it's a bad event because people also having their families and other things. But it's required to understand that when it comes to the this type of scenario, mostly the reasons behind it because of the lack of the knowledge. In IT field, the things are very rapidly evolving and we require to adopt it currently. Even as in the trainer also, for me, no one asks me, okay, you are the certified or not, but I'm getting certified on the different technologies. I recently got certified on the two different certifications last month only. So it is basically to challenge yourself to make sure that you are actually into the learning phase. We are not perfect at any time. So in this case, we require to understand here, always make sure that we are aware with the latest trends and the tech and the demands from the market, and accordingly we are changing our focus to that. And this is happens very rapidly, and it's called the shift of industry. So these shifts are happening very rapidly, and that shifts require to be basically focused here. So CompTIA is basically helping us to understand these AI through their different type of certifications. So CompTIA providing certifications from the fundamental to the expert level, and they have a tracks like they have the hardware tracks, networking. Basically, you can say the IT track. Then they have the security track, cloud, and basically the AI. So different tracks are there, and every certification right now is included or enabled within the AI based things. This industry growths are there. So AI job postings getting increased year by year. Short demand, this is short supply and demand is higher. This is currently scenario. In future, this might be will change. But as of now, for a couple of years, This is the scenario where the demand is actually more, but supply is shorter. Salaries are getting more as compared to the others when someone already enabled with the AI. Because when the industries have to train their employees on the AI, it will take a longer time rather than they are getting someone who are already aware with the AI things. So it will become an easier for them to make it that person job. We can say the work ready from the first day of the job. So training duration gets reduced or almost none. We can say the internal trainings. Future-proof skills are there. So it is basically required that every job positions in IT which require the AI to be enabled, and 80% of the skill sets is basically literacy is required to the AI within the IT jobs. Generally, it is not to get and feared here anything. See, something is when this gets bombarding, or we can say the flooding of the information, it doesn't mean that there is a serious issues are there. Problem is that we have to tackle the things. Okay, not nothing to have a fear, nothing to have any trauma of that or phobia of that. Like I can say we have to be getting to the AIs or how the things are changing rapidly. We require to be just make sure that we know about it, what is required. We might be don't aware about the things 100%. That's also we are not expecting at any time. Even organizations are not expecting, but we are not knowing the anything about it. That's the danger. Okay, so at least we are aware with the fundamental basic things of it, how these things can be helping us to enhance our productivity. That definitely and important for organizations. AI revolutions are changing to the every industries right now. Like an example, the healthcare, finance, retail, manufacturing, information technology, academy, as we can say the aerospace, even we can see the government everywhere is making the changes, and definitely different type of the case studies, I can say applications we are seeing. ML ops is also making the together. ML ops is basically machine learning operations, which helping the IT professionals to enhance the things in organizations to utilize the available resources in an effective way and provide the maximum output through it in a less duration. Okay, so basically it's resources saving and time saving, which equals to the cost saving. And when we are saving a cost, it means that we are earning the things. Okay, saving the money is similar to the earning the money. So Orbis is also following the similar principle. So in that this case, the AI is transforming the every industry. So everywhere it is there. Even the automobile industry also you can see AI is the part of it. So what are the career opportunities are there? So basically entry level data analyst is in the opportunity where generally the lot of raw data which is collected by the AI systems, it is getting basically analysis and making the visualizations or reporting on that, basically checking the trends of it. How the AI is learning, it is similar like a human being. So what we are doing as a human being, we are talking with others, we are living in society, we are living in family, we are discussing with others, we are sharing our experiences and others sharing our experiences with us, their experiences with us. So similar way, the AI is also learning. They are taking the huge amount of data, analyzing it, learning from it, and then providing us answer. So this way, a huge amount of raw data is required. And that's basically called as the learning process of it. Okay, so it will learning the things, analyzing the things, visualization of stuff. So there's a very entry level part where generally the salaries, which is from 6 to 12 lakhs, is depends on the companies and the job roles. And key skills are there which require the Python. Python is actually helpful for everywhere in IT, in security, in cloud, everywhere, even in AI also. Tableau, SQL, and Excel. So these type of skill sets are expected. Machine learning engineer, which actually the mid-level like jobs, where actually the person is designing, building, and deploying the machine learning models to solve the complex business queries. So basically, the lot of things which is might be taking the longer time for the human beings to resolve or to provide the solution, where the ML-based models or AI-based models or agents providing the solutions on it very effectively. This is the collaboration with a data scientist to implement the scalable AI solution. Scalable means a requirement. According to requirement, it can be enhanced or it can be reduced. So that's the so average salary is here with the 15 to 25 lakhs, and the key skills which required with the tools like an TensorFlows or PyTorch and algorithms. So this type of skill sets are expected. AI solution architect, which is the senior level position, where it is more about the planning and basically strategic like things, where architectures and then the designs are happening. Generally, the salary skills are more for this, and the skills is required for that is a cloud platform, system design, and leaderships. So leadership is important. That's why I mentioned technical skills all not only important, but also more than that, we require to have something for the management skills or leadership skills are there. So this is some of the AI emerging career opportunities are there. How the AI is basically reshaping the IT career path. This we'll see into the next slide. So generally, traditional IT is morely focusing on the manual work, and it is the reactive. Reactive means something is happening, then we will work on it. Okay, so this approach is actually changed into the AI-based things. AI-based things are actually monitoring the previous scenarios and will predict you the what possible in future. So that might be not 100% accurate, but at least you are getting the idea. It is similar like that by seeing the last 10 years weather condition, the meteorological department predict today's weather. Okay, how they able to know that the today's weather is like this? They able to predict the even the next year's weather also specific day, because they have the data of last 10 years, 20 years, 30 years. They are analyzing this data, and based on that they are saying that okay, on this day might be a sunny day, or it might be the cloudy, it might be the rainy day. Okay, then how basic, and this might be not very much accurate. Sometimes we know that whatever they predict, it is not happening that way only, but at least we are getting the idea. So this way the predictions are there. So predictive things are important. So based on the previous analysis, it can be done. So this way the AI is helping us to analyze the previous incidents or events and predict the future events based on it. It also performing the intelligent monitoring, and very important thing is the automated workflow. That is an automation. Means if something is happening, so as a human being, we will take a time to review it, because we have a limitation by the nature. We have a biological clock in our body, so we can work for might be 16 hours, 18 hours. Okay, but not every day. Okay, we have a limitation on that. We require the rest. So sometimes what happens, we might be missing something on time. Okay, that's might be required at that time to focus, but AI systems not. They will actually focus on these things, which is the critical alerts, and they will take the actions on it most of the time automatically. So this type of things are important. So that's why the AI based technologies are very important. Future ready professionals are required with the strategic thinking, which is everywhere. AI oversights, creative problem solving, and continuous learning is a part of it. So in this case, skills being automated, the things are going to the automations are there. Most of the things right now plan with the workflows, or it's called a playbooks are there. So basically, whatever the things are there, so it's required something called the optimization or fine tuning. So that things are more demanded. So instead of the having the data entry jobs, which is we can say AI will take all the data entry jobs, because, or we can say the funded job, which is definitely it can be doable from them by the AI. But fine tuning of the things, which is the AI model is using, or data optimization, so that is done by the humans. Humans will check that data fed to the AI, is it the legitimate or not? Because right now the another challenge with the AI systems are that they are using the huge amount of the wrong data to provide the answers. Example, AI systems will take the data from Wikipedia. AI systems are taking the data from the different type of the platform which provide the blogs, question and answer formats. So that type of things are challenged definitely, because answers can be changed. Wikipedia content is not, we can say, the verified. So we will, as a human being, we will see what type of references is using, and is it the references are good or bad, because AI as of now not able to know that these things are good or these things are bad. So it is done by the humans to tell AI. It is like a baby only. So to the baby, we are saying, okay, see, these things are good, these things are bad. Baby unable to understand that things. So it is into the that state only in this case right now. Then complex problem diagnostics. Definitely complex problems are diagnosed by the AI in an effective way. If we see even now today's, even in the medical field also, the lot of surgeries right now happening with the help of AI to enhance its capability. Ethical AI implementations use AI for good cause. We able to know that right now. Very recently news, yesterday's news only. By using the chat GPT, people can access the illegal material, which is not allowed earlier, but right now they are allowing it. Okay. So that's the basically the unethical use of AI. Okay, because someone able to access something from the AI. So it means that it is basically the challenge. Okay, that's the wrong thing. And okay, so easily someone getting the knowledge. Then cross-functional collaborations are able to get from the AI systems are there. Okay, then these are basically the CompTIA's visions for the AI ready professionals. CompTIA is well aware that how the AI is required everywhere. So that's why they are providing the AI integrations in their every course in the networking, security, and data management. Basically, like an CompTIA A plus, N plus, even they are unable with the AI right now. CompTIA Project Plus is there. CompTIA Cloud, Linux, Server, Security Plus, CYSS. These type of courses are actually already included within the AI-based curriculum. Uh, in their particularly skill sets or the things. So this is the integrations are added. And in future, definitely we will see a more focused AI certifications in this career pathways are there from the fundamentals to advanced. Right now, it's having the fundamentals and intermediate certifications specifically focused on AI. We will see about that in the upcoming slide. Advanced certification is into the plan, basically. These are the some certifications where AI is integrated effectively. CompTIA A plus, which is specifically focusing on the hardware. Data plus is there, which uses for the data governance, quality assurances are there. And CompTIA Security Plus. These are all the high demand certifications from CompTIA. And it is basically even demanded by the industries. And these certifications are having the recognitions from the DODs, which is the Department of Defense from the US. So that's a required curriculum they are using. So it's the defense oriented material. We can say the content creations also there. My client base also includes the DODs people. We can say not from US, but from other countries. So defense people, basically, we can say. So very much it's aware that how the CompTIA certifications are required in these parts, and they having the weightage in there. Then what are the essential skills framework is there? So basically these are some skills are there, but it's not all the mandatory. Even if you are not expertise in every skill set, that's okay. We are human, we are not robots. So it's not like that we require to be actually expertise in each and every skill, but it is like that we require to be aware about at least basics of it. Okay, we might be expertise in 2 or 3 skills which is required, and others we know about it. Okay, so that's how it works. So programming and tools, in that we require these tools, example like a Python, R, SQL, PyTorch, and then cloud platforms like an AWS, Azure, GCP, OCI, that type of platforms. Then mathematics and statistics, where linear algebras, calculus, probabilities, or data analysis. In machine learning, supervised, unsupervised learnings, which is required. Then neural networks, model evaluations and optimizations. Data engineering, we require data pipelines or database managements and big data technologies. So these are some technical competencies. In professional competencies, we require the business related things. Example like understanding the ROI. This word is very important in organizations. ROI is basically the return on investment. So whatever we invested, so what return we got and when we got. So these things are very important. It's called the business value. In organization, if you talk something with your higher level people, I can say the seniors, They'll ask you, okay, we understand your thing, but what is the business value of it? Everything is related in organization related to business value. So this is the ROI. So what exactly the ROI from that? Aligning AI with the business goals, business objectives in organization, and communicating the technical concepts to the stakeholder in a lucid way, or we can say the effective manner, because people are not, every person is not technical. If you tell the technicalities of the everything to the everyone, they will not understand. Okay, you have to tell them in a they will understand that. Okay, so example I given, like I can see AI into the baby stage. Okay, so like baby means is to the learning phase right now. It is not knowing what is a good and bad. We have to tell it. Okay, what's the good, what is the bad thing. For it, it's everything is same. It's unable to differentiate. Okay, so that's the way we can say the examples are coming. Ethical reasoning, like an addressing the biases. Okay, these type of things are happening in US, basically in China, and in some other countries. Basically, in China, we know that because of ethnicity, the people's eyes are very, we can say small. Really, their eyes size are similar like us only, but because of the geographical condition, their ethnicity, their eyes are generally looks like their eyes are closed. So the some AI technologies consider Chinese people as they are sleeping always. More specifically, the while they are driving the car. So they are giving the alerts, AI system giving the alert to the Chinese person saying that you are sleeping while driving the car. See, so how is happening? Because basically for AI system, they unable to understand right now the difference into the ethnicity of the eyes of the different countries. Okay, as a human, we knew it. Okay, that their eyes are small. Basically, that gap is very small. So their eyes are open, but we able to see that's small. Okay, so that's basically comes to the addressing the biases. Okay, these are some examples are there. Even if happen with some African like an ethnicity. So that comes to the ethical reasoning. So this is the person work, humans work to tell the AI that what is it's required to differentiate and how it's required to filter the things. Okay. Ensuring fairness is required, protecting privacies are there, and implementing the responsible AI practices. That's why if you search something in the chat GPT or Gemini of Google, they will show you, they will give you the answer sometime or reply sometime. Sorry, we are unable to answer this. Okay, because it is filtered. Okay, so that is a part of the implementing responsible AI practices. Problem solving. So breaking down the complex problems are important. Creative thinkings and applying AI appropriate to the business left problems. So this is also important. AI is there, but how to use it? Okay. See, everywhere we require the people. Okay. Without people, things are not there. It might be Terminator like things will happen in might be after decades. Okay, might be next century, but as of now, we do not have that type of scenario. It's just a movie like things. Sorry. So applying AI appropriately, that also we require to understand. Okay, where to use AI and how to use AI, that's required. Then collaboration. So how AI will help to cross-functional teams to collaborate together. They can sharing their knowledge. Right now, the things are scattered in organization a lot of time. HR people don't know what finance is doing. Finance don't know what IT is doing. Okay, so generally they know it, but they are not updated with the things. Okay, so it is getting the real-time updates, what is happening and how it's happening. So that comes and managing the stakeholder space. So these are the some technical and professional competencies which required for the AI. Okay, so it's an essential skill framework, we can say. So what is the practical pathway to get into the AI career? So we require to understand that what is our starting point. As I mentioned, even you are not very much technical into mathematics, statistics, that's okay. Okay. You have to know that AI, how it will help you in your career. That's it. Okay, and that's what I mentioned. You are not expertise into the AI, it not makes sense much more difference. You are aware about the AI and how to use AI in your profile, job profile, that matters always. So identifying the gaps to understand where we are right now and where we want to be. So that's we require to fill the gap. Then we require at least 30 to 40% of the foundation skills. Yeah. So as I mentioned, 100% not expected. At least something we have, and that's definitely interesting and that helping us. Build foundation, like an example, CompTIA Data Plus or AI Foundation course is available. So through that, we can start it, where we can understand the Python basics and statistical concepts. So that for, we can say, better understanding. Earn core certifications, like an example, AI fundamentals or AI practitioners, like them things, and gain the practical experience where we can actually work as a, we can say, the we can say basically like an interns, or maybe as an initially when it joins as a fresher also. So we will get an understanding of the actual what type of work happens on the floor, where we will get a chance to demonstrate our skill sets. And networking is important. So networking is important everywhere, before the career, in the career, and after the career. So career important is, so I'm in this industry, I'm working from last 15 years. So I'm very well aware, even the whoever working in this industry from last years, or might be currently having the lot of years of experience. So we are all aware that networking is key thing of anything, because where social media also not there. So basically at that time also people started the things, they are maintaining it. Okay, so I have seen that transition also personally, without using the social media, how to create a network, and with using the social media, how to create a network. So basically it creating the definitely the good impact of the network. Critical skills beyond the technical knowledge. Technical knowledge basically opens the door, but human skills keep them always open. This is very important. Technical skills are good, but if you want to grow in IT anywhere, you require the lot of things which is helps you for the better enable you as a human being. Okay, so like in management skills, emotional things are considered. I'm not saying that go to the personal level of emotional things. Okay, but in businesses also it's required. As a human being, we attach with the feelings and emotions. Okay, it's, we cannot avoid it. Even we say that, okay, there is something is called the situational awareness. It is a high demanded thing in the market right now. Okay, one of the things which is required for the IT professionals also. Okay, so which is, we can say, the something which we can know theoretically, but if something happens, that things are happening practically, how we will react, how we will basically give the, we can say, support on it. That's matters. Okay, so that is a situational awareness. So data literacy is important, where we have to understand that reading the data, writing the data, and analyzing of the data, and also make the communication through that. So that things are required. We have to understand that what type of information is duplicate, biased information with the racism generally, or pointing specific caste or specific religion. These type of things are very common onto the, we can say, internet. And if AI using these things, so it is answer also biased on for the specific religion, specific caste, specific human race, or we can say the community. So it should not be happen. Okay, so that's why as a humans we require to take care. So this is the humans. Ethical AI things. So understanding the how to safeguard the AI with the filters. Example, someone cannot access the sensitive information or critical information through the AI. Okay, so that is happening into the critical, basically ethical AI thinking. And creative problem solving, where AI is a tool, it's not a magic solution. So we require to understand this very well. AI will provide you the solutions based on its knowledge. Okay, so, and knowledge can be wrong. Okay, it's possible. See, miss, whatever I know right now, it is right according to me only. But there are the thousands of people in this world, they can challenge my knowledge. Okay, because they knew something different than me. Okay, they have a different facts than me with them. Okay, because we have a 8 billions, more than 8 billions people in the world. Okay. And we are the one brain in that. Okay, or I am the one person, you are the one person from that. So whatever we know, we are right according to us, but for others, it might be not right. Okay. So that type of things are comes into the scenario where giving the specific knowledge, which is right knowledge to the AI. So that comes into the using that it will provide us the exact solution, not the wrong solutions. So leveraging the CompTIA as your AI foundation. So using these things, we are getting the credibility, structured and proven learning pathway because CompTIA is working in this industry from last few decades. Industry recognitions are there. The different industry recognitions are provided. As I mentioned, even like an US government or DODs are there. Structured learning. Generally, CompTIA courses are more focused on hands-on together with a conceptual way, and they are covering a lot of things. I am certified in the CompTIA different certifications, so I'm aware. Even I am also certified for the different industry certifications, so I'm aware with the differences of it. I'm not saying only for CompTIA. There are some numerous another level of OEMs also there. They are more focused on what exactly required and changing their syllabus every time. So CompTIA generally changing their syllabus every 3 years. So 3 years time, they are changing the entire syllabus. Mostly, almost the syllabus get changed of the certification. So that is somewhere we able to get aware that what is not required and what is required. Something I know right now, day after tomorrow, it becomes absolute. Okay, so that's I'm also required to aware that I require to gain something new. Okay. So that's something comes to the structured learning. Then career mobility, where we will get the different type of the domains and certifications from it according to the requirement. And it is a big community where a lot of people are connected. So where we will get benefited through that using the some platforms which is available on CompTIA. So this is example of the career pathway. So I've given the example within the one person. So her name is Priya. So Priya is basically how she transitioned her career from her starting point to the AI engineer. Okay, so she started her career at 2021. So she started as an IT support specialist. Okay, so her job is L1 to L2 level job, and she basically having some technical knowledge and basic networking knowledge. So she got a job and she started to support with the IT tickets and other things. Then she able to know that she required the growth in career. So she started with a CompTIA A plus and Data plus in 2022. And it is while the working, she did this training and certification. And then she got the hike, we can say the another job, we can say the internal or another job, where she got the things promotion as in the senior support analyst. From that, she actually got the other AI fundamental course, which is a specific course, dedicated AI specific course from CompTIA, and where she basically built her portfolio, uh, predicting the customer churns and optimizing the support workflows. In 2024, she started as the junior ML engineer. In that, her salary also got increased, and she basically earned the certifications of AI practitioner, uh, where she contributed the production of ML models, ML ops things, and which is connected to the AWS. So she also mentored a junior analyst in her job. And the current year, the current position, so she's working as the AI solution engineer. So where her work is right now to provide the designing the solutioning and providing AI-based solutioning to the clients. And basically, she's leading the small team, and she's also presenting her work to the stakeholder. Stakeholder is someone is interested into companies. So her plan is right now to work as a AI architecture in next month. Okay. So it's just given one. It's not a real thing. It's just given one example. If someone wants to start a career in AI, so how much basically the time is required? It's not a magic. Okay, I'm not saying that okay, you are starting today and immediately it's happen. So it's a time being thing, and it is depending on the someone's dedication and focused on it. I've seen a lot of people younger than me. I'm meeting a lot of people in my career. It's I'm fortunate I'm meeting with a lot of younger people. They are saying, okay, how they achieved a lot of things in the younger of age of their career because they focused, they decided what to do, and they achieved it. Okay, so it's not any fixed formula for it, any fixed based age based things of it. It is about how we are enthusiastic about that, how we are dedicated to it. It's not about giving the excuses on something. There are the people who are passing the examinations, even they have a 9 to 6 job, they have a family, they are traveling every day, work from office, and they are passing certifications. So they can give excuses. I am having the salary, I'm having the family, I'm having the my work. Okay, but it's not happens. So why? Because they decided, they focused. So this is what is required. So if we do it, so definitely it is basically helping us a lot. So next slide is your questions are answered. Do I need computer science degree to work in AI? So as I mentioned, it's not. Basically, the CS degree can be helpful, but many successful IT professionals come from AI professionals come from the diverse background. Will give you the my idea. I did my BCA and MCA externally. I'm actually the microbiologist. So I completed my. I'm not. It's not mentioned on my LinkedIn definitely. So basically, it's in the microbiologist. So miss first year I'm into the zoology, and then second year miss I'm in the totally biology. Miss there is no mathematics subject to me in my even in 11th and 12th standard. Okay, so I'm from the background which is totally focused on biology. Even in my graduation also, I'm having the botany and zoology, and then I decided to go with the microbiology, and I completed it. Later, I completed because of I'm learning. Even right now, also I'm planning for PhD. So it's my habit to learning. It's not like mandatory. Like even lot of batches I'm completing sometimes. People getting from the same like in background like an okay we are coming from the similar way biotechnology or similar, so it's not about the your background, it's about how you are enthusiastic, how you are eager to gain the knowledge, gain skill sets, and there is no questions getting asked on it. See, might be few companies are asking questions on it, not all. So nothing to worry on that, your skills are matter. IT is all about the skills, it's not about the person. Okay, they might be not caring about the person, but they are definitely caring about the skill sets. So this is something is required to be focused that if you have a skills, so world is small for you. Okay. How long it takes to become in the job ready AI? So generally it is averagely we can say if even the very general scenario, it can be take up to 12 to 18 months. Uh, it is not a magic. It will happen in 1 day, 2 day, or 2 weeks or 3 weeks. It takes a time. Including the 2 to 3 relevant certifications that good if you have that, or even you can complete the trainings on that. Practical experience if it's there, that's okay. Else, some non-technical backgrounds might be required, some more experiences to get into. Which programming is language required? So basically, Python is one of the things which is easy to understand, or R statistical language you can use. There are a lot of GitHub repositories are available which help you to learning the AI from the basics. Are the AI jobs only available for in a major tech companies? So it's not. It's everywhere. Okay, demand is higher. I am the person who with the different corporates. I'm in my fortunately I work in 100 plus corporates in the world, different regions of the world. So I'm very much aware that internally how organizations are basically uh, giving encouragement to their employees to have the AI knowledge. They are arranging internal trainings. They're also mentioning that, okay, go to the LinkedIn like platforms or Linda, basically LinkedIn Learning right now, or Coursera and some other platforms are there. Persipio is another platform which is used by the different corporate companies internally. So they say that, okay, go and take the training on AI, at least basics understand of it. And even on that training also, they are getting the hikes. Okay, they are getting the internal shift, internal transfer to the other departments. So this is how the demand is higher. So it is about how we have to start it. Okay, so it's not about the major companies only. Everywhere it is required, and that's how the talent shortage is there. Can I transition the AI whilst working full time? So yes, is possible. But you can decide that in a 1 week I can give my at least 10 hours. So I can give that 10 hours might be in a 2 days or might be in a 5 days, 2 hours. Or I can give 4 hours. So if we'll go dedicatedly that way, so definitely it is possible. It's not a big job or big deal. What is the best way to gain practical experience? So yes, there are a lot of AIs, open source AI projects are available over the internet. So we can use that to gain a practical experience. Or if it's the fresher, so they can start with the some volunteer opportunities or intern opportunities are there. Okay. Or on-job trainings like that things. So these are some questions. In case of other questions, if you have, just let me know. We'll answer your queries. Yeah, your AI journey basically starts today. So AI opportunities are real, definitely, as I mentioned. You have a clear path to getting from the basic to the expertise. And we have to start from where we are right now without waiting for further. So next step, we will assess the current skills gaps and skill levels. Choose the first CompTIA certification based on the gap. Study schedules, community joining of the CompTIA, local and we can say global. And we can start with the small AI projects are there. CompTIA resources are there. CompTIA providing the huge, we can say the catalog of the resources. A lot of resources are there. It's a database, we can say. Many AI-based courses are free on the CompTIA. Basically, we can say basic courses and webinars. So we can actually access to them. Join the CompTIA LinkedIn community for networking. So CompTIA also available on LinkedIn. So we can join it to get more knowledge. Explore the certification bundles for cost savings, which can be given like now, basically by the team. They'll give you the more information on that and connect with the authorized training partners like an Knowlathon is there. The best time to start the AI was the 5 years ago, actually, if you want to get benefit today. The second best time is today. So your future self will thank you for the investments. So you can make it now. So thanks for joining us today. So make sure that everyone understood it. In case of any questions, any queries in this particularly session, so just let me know. So these are the two AI-based courses are available. So one is the AI Essentials and one is the AI Prompting Essentials. These courses are helping you to understand the AI from the scratch. Okay, it's like that you don't know anything about the AI. That's okay. You can start from here. Okay, so these are the courses are there. Sorry for that. So basically, it is available to discuss. So this is our contact our team. We are situated at this banner location, website, email address, and hotlines are available, even available on the WhatsApp. So any questions and answers, let me know. Shraddha, in case of any questions comes, so let me know.
Yes. Yes, sir. Firstly, thank you so much, Kuldeep sir. It was really a power-packed session with next steps to do and everything. So, in the start, we got one question. How
Mhm.
Blinkit Zomato is using AI? Can you give some examples?
Yes, exactly. See, a lot of time you can see an example, simple thing. Uh, Blinkit and Zomato. Basically, you can say the Blinkit right now. They have a
Yeah.
dark stores in your area nearby. You might be seen also this dark store. In that dark store, they knew that what is the demand of that area. Okay, how they knew it? Because they knew the previous order patterns. So they are keeping the data based on the, we can say the products based on it. And most of the time you are experienced with the Zomato or we can say the Blinkit, BB Now, or this type of services. So you are ordering it and you are just sitting in your home. Within the 5 minutes, these people are coming in your home. How is possible? How is coming there? Okay.
Yeah.
Because of some algorithms are working behind it. Okay, and these algorithms will helping them to know that which products kept in which location and how they can reach to the specific location using the simple and short route. Okay? So basically this is, we can say, even I am the person, I'm living in the area, Swiggy Blinkit and the BB Now. It is nearer to me within the 500 meters location. BB Now is my near, even is next to the my society. Okay. So it's basically these people are not there. Even the delivery partners are not always outside of it. Okay. You order it, this will come to your home immediately, or might be any location they can reach it. So this is basically because of the some data is there. This data gets analyzed through the AI and ML technologies very fastly, and they will predict the things what is required or might be not required, and they can change the patterns accordingly of it. So this is the how the AI is helping them to make the things sure.
I hope Jagdish you got your answer.
Yes.
Can you just give a thumbs up if your doubt is cleared? Till then, others can put your questions in the
Yes.
Q&A box. So sir will answer to them. Okay. We'll wait for a minute for
Yes,
them
yes,
to
we'll
put up
wait
the
for two
question.
minutes
Yeah,
also. That's okay. Yeah, that's okay.
yeah. So
The
by the
people
time we
request.
wait, attendees, can we give a reaction to sir's session? Is it we can just give a feedback with the reactions to the sir?
Yes.
Okay, we got the claps. Yeah, truly the session was really insightful. And as earlier mentioned that there is, don't have to be from IT background to start with the AI learnings and CompTIA and everything. So anyone can learn AI and anyone should learn AI in this era. So any questions? Anyone?
Even our phones are unable with AI nowadays. So that's a simple thing.
Yeah.
Understand. Even we are, even our camera also, you can say front camera, back camera, rear camera is actually unable with AI.
Yeah. So we got another question. How
Mhm.
current job roles are gonna be transformed in future? For example, full stack developer, SQL developer.
Okay, this type of job roles will be transforming to the AI based automations are there generally. Okay, frankly speaking, because these job role titles might be changing or not changing. That is a different thing. But what is changing right now, it is basically to how you are coding the things. Because nowadays, whatever we are coding, it might be included with some bugs or might be something which creating the challenges in the CI/CD. Okay, if you go or SDLCs, we can consider that. So in this case, AI will help us to make the clean code, secure code, and the optimized code according to requirement. At the same time, you are right now. See, if I'm developing application for iOS right now, the main challenge for me, I want to run it on Android, so I require to develop other application. So instead of that, I can run the application on Kubernetes. I can run application on Dockers and containers. I can run application on mobile or cloud anywhere using the single basic script. And this script will evolve according to the platform. So human work will be minimized, but it is not like that 100% minimized. It will minimize with the, we can say 50 percentage, and other we have to focus that whatever AI is doing, is it the right way it is doing, or it is outputs are proper or not. So it is done by the humans only. Means my website is available on the available on the laptop, also on the mobile, and mobile is it is not properly visible because it is AI generated. So it will not done by the AI right now to optimize it. It is done by the right now humans will come into scenario and they will change the code where the problems are there, and this is how the changes will happens. Okay, so hopefully it gives an idea right now.
Yeah. So I get you got the answer. Can you just give a
Yes.
thumbs up? Okay, we got the
Yes.
thumbs up. Any other questions? We have a 1 to 2 minutes left. So
Yes. Okay.
okay, by the time you put up the questions, I'm sharing our contact details in the Q&A box. You can keep it with you for future references. Okay. I have put up the contact details. You can visit our website and get more details about all the certifications we provide, as well as the CompTIA certifications we have on our website, which you can take up and start from today. As Sir said, this is the now moment, or you can start learning from today itself. You can manage the
Yes.
time and plan the time and start with it. So maybe today's task, you have completed the webinar, you have attended the webinar. Now, next step would be checking out which certifications are there on the Knowlathon website. So maybe you can check that. I have provided the links in the Q&A box. Then, so before we go, then I just want to know what one skill or certifications you are motivated to pursue after today's session. I would really love to know which one you are gonna start with or you wanna explore. If you wanna explore, you can put that also, that I want to explore more. Do keep our website and everything with you, and I have also shared the social media platform links too. You can connect there, and you can DM us anytime with whatever query you have regarding the webinar, regarding the certifications or anything. You can connect with us. There is a number too where you can contact us. Other than that, there are some offers going on our whole courses on our website. So do check it out, and you might save some money in this festive season. So do check that out. Also, in our social media, we are sharing next webinars, then certification guides, or next IT career insights, or anything where our future batches and everything. So do follow us, do subscribe to our YouTube channel, and connect with us. It was pleasure for hosting you all of you, and thank you so much, Kuldeep sir, again for
Thanks
the
for having me.
great session. It was really insightful for me as well as for our attendees. So attendees, can we have a feedback in a maybe reaction? If you have enjoyed the session, you can put a thumbs up. Okay. So I think that's all from my side. It's okay. Let's see you again in the next webinar. So thank you again
Yes,
for
thanks.
being here, and see you in the next session. And happy Diwali to everyone.
Yes,
Happy Diwali, sir.
happy that.